We must make it abundantly clear. This is not a realignment of political ideology, nor is it an internal resolution of party differences. Rather, it is a blatant and reckless subversion of the ADC platform by a group we describe as a civilian junta, a self-styled cabal attempting to seize control outside the bounds of legal and democratic process. It is ironic and indeed tragic that many of these individuals who now presume to hijack the party play no part in Nigeria's hard-fought return to democracy. Governance: Nigeria must not forget in a hurry the notorious warning from one of the ringleader of this group who declared during the 2011 election that if peaceful change is not possible, violent change is inevitable. This dangerous mindset is once again rearing its head, now cloaked in the garb of a political coalition. It is only by the grace of God that our democracy survived then. And we must not allow such reckless adventurism to thrive now. The Forum of ADC State Chairmen view this attempted takeover as an insult to all those who believe in and have labored for democratic governance in Nigeria. It is illegality. Illegitimate and unacceptable. Their objective is to fracture the democratic process using selfish ambition and extra-party inducement to destroy a political platform they neither build nor believe in. Let it be known, the African Democratic Congress, ADC, remain a party committed to democratic principles, the rule of law, ideology, clarity, and peaceful political engagement. We have never and will never be a platform for political machineries or ideology imposture. If the coalition led by Senator David Mark and their agent of subversion are determined to pursue their sinister ambition, they are advised to create their own party or look elsewhere. The ADC is not a cell, not for hijack, and certainly not a dumping ground for discredited power brokers. In conclusion, this forum of ADC state chairmen stand firm in defense of democracy. We will not be intimidated, caused, or silenced by those who seek to impose themselves through undemocratic means. Nigeria belongs to all of us.